Hello, everyone. I'm here to talk to you about the work we did for the revamped regression running, where we give an update to how the focus testing infrastructure works. Um, let's start with who we are. That's me on the left, Joost, and on the right is Mahmoud, and we've been working together on this in the past week to make those improvements. To give you an overview of how things work now, when you have a CameraOS build, which includes all the software that goes onto a camera, there's an API call that gets made to the Regression Suite Manager, as we call it, which then makes more API calls in TeamCity to the different device type runners that run on the different sorts of devices that we have in our testing infrastructure. Um, the downside of this approach is that once you have one of those test suites, it's really hard to determine what CameraOS actually went into it and how everything got triggered. So we wanted to make some improvements there. And to that end, we have built this uh, TeamCity project where instead of making API calls, we used the existing functionality that TeamCity has, which is called dependencies, where you can make everything link up very nicely into one giant build. So what you can see here is all the different builds that go into CameraOS. And then if we scroll down to the very bottom, you can see the different testing suites that we ran on that given CameraOS, and everything is nicely bundled into one report where you can see that we run it on many different device types, different indoors, different outdoors, different configurations there. And yeah, everything is in one place instead of having to go looking in different places for your test results once you have that CameraOS. Another nice benefit is that TeamCity aggregates all the testing results into one nice report, which you can see here, where you can see that, for example, this specific test, which runs on every device type as part of the smoke tests that we run, this was run 11 times, which, yeah, indicates that it was run on 11 different device configurations. So indoor, outdoor, flex, that kind of stuff. That's all I had for you today.